Yo, what is up, guys? So look, I done got the new iPhone right here. Ooh, ooh. Boom. See, you know I had to get the deep purple, right? And then I had to get the what is it? The Pro Max. Got the Pro Max right here, y'all. So hopefully the videos will be a little bit clear or whatnot. These cameras go crazy. Yo, today's sponsored by Takis Fuego. You feel me? So, yeah, we about to do a little comparison. The first half of the video or whatever it's gonna be on my old phone. I think this the 12 Pro, and second half will be on this joint. So, yeah, so yeah, let's see the difference, and yeah, let's get back to it. Yo, so we back, y'all. Got my per performance in this drink.
Put the drag pack on there.
We back at it again.
Oh, I see that thing clean, bro. Thank you, bro. How's she running? Feel good or what? Feel like lighter a little bit too? Yeah, not lighter. I told you. Oh, everybody, hey, you was right, bro. You was right there. Everybody trying to see you. Keep that motherfucker cool.
It's the other SS, I believe. Or 2SS. My boy got gold on the drink. He did. Big gold.
My shit's the same color. This nigga the only nigga.
I didn't want to do it too. I thought it was, oh, we could do two. Yeah, shit. It's like, I'm about to roll up. Was it hard to install a high rev phone? My people did it, but that's why it ain't clean. You know, some niggas got this shit perfect. Yeah. My people, they did the best they could, bro.
You have a good hoodie or something?
I got one, but I gotta put the cans on it.
Oh,
I gotta find somebody.
Yeah, because you got the intake over here cut up.
Me, you seen that shit straight from us? Get a sharp knock it up.
That one of Brett's actually?
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of them.
Oh, he does intake as well.
Everything, bro. You got two about here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Y'all finished with me? Check the...
And my guy, good. Look, I can see the trunk. I ain't about to go all the way back there. I can see the trunk from there. They checking out the trunk. They negotiated 2,000 a side, I believe they just said. But yeah. My boy about to come out and try to look for another kill, you feel me? Oh yeah.
Nigga with the brake Camaro, he's trying to
This don't make you nervous?
Get out of here. That nigga text my DMs and I tell him he bought my car.
Alright, y'all. So now they're checking out the other joint. Y'all just seen it already.
Hey, you talking about he's gonna come out?
So yeah.
Oh,
I'm not loud. I'm not check it out. So
My guy is got it. You see the paint, right?
yeah.
Yo, so what's up, guys? So they checked the cars out and all that joint. So now they about to get their pot together. It's 2,000 a side. They agreed on. It's 2,000 they agreed on. Dang, this camera is doing justice. I like this. Yo, shout out to iPhone for making the same exact phone. But anyway, so yeah, they agreed on 2,000 a pot. Well, really 4,000 is pot, and it's 50 to 140. 50, 140, 50, 150, 50, 140. I put it in there when they line up or whatever. And yeah, you know, 2 SS's, one high round, one I think Boton they said. So it's gonna be a good race, man. We're gonna see how it joint go. If you haven't already, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And yeah, we on. Peace.
Nigga, shake the hand, shake the hand, shake the hand, shake the hand. Stop it. Hey,
Nobody good or what? Money good?
Hey, money's good over here.
I have 5 seconds, so I'm just asking. Like, we both won't agree. You have 50, I'm at 50. And you know, thumbs up, let me know you good. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. As soon as I hear you guys, I'm on it. You guys are first.
That's not how it
No, yeah.
Oh, how y'all do it?
Well, usually when you get the hit, you get ready first, and I'll get ready, and then whenever you say, or we could get ready at the same time, it won't matter. And then I'll look at you, if you tell me you're ready, then you usually have 5 seconds, but we can do like 4, whatever.
I was gonna go get gas, bro. Like, you can go first, like, you hit it. Once you hit it, I'm on you. Like that. Still a gamble, you got like way more, less weight than you, feel me?
Yeah.
So we gotta negotiate this part because then it's gonna be tricky at the end if you feel like, hey, this.
No. That's what we're talking about now. You feel me?
Yeah.
And then too, bro, the rules and shit too.
Yeah.
So it's all you got rules and shit. You disagree.
Yeah,
He got that shit.
Is it busting, my guys? Jeez. I'm ready to smack it.
My bad, bro.
Get in your jacket, man. That's all it is.
Everybody cool with the rules and shit. Y'all check it out.
Let's talk about the goal.
Once you gas it, bro, that's what I'm gonna gas it.
It's because
You
usually
basically, the only thing you missing is headers. You souped up, you way lighter than me. You know, your LT1, you gutted. What you were saying?
it's a little tricky because if you're doing 1, 2, 3, you're kind of gonna expect them to go as soon as the 3.
Oh, as soon as I hear him go, I ain't gonna shake
No, it's not. It's no countdown if it's the go.
Is it like thumbs up? No.
You guys say you guys are ready.
Yeah, once the ready, that's like
ready.
the.
Like, me and you will get ready, and then I'm gonna look at you.
1400.
And when you tell me you're ready, or I'll ask you if you're ready, and then you say yes or give me a thumbs up, whatever you want.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, basically once you get the
He takes off, and that's my boy.
Yeah, but so how long does he have? Like, how long does he have?
As soon as he gas it.
As soon as you gas it, bro.
No, but like, okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like,
Hold on. You're confusing, bro. Hold on. Well, let me talk. Okay, so we're gonna be next to each other, right?
Yeah.
Like pretend we're racing, and then we're both gonna get ready. Say we're in the right gear. I'm gonna ask you, you ready?
You ain't gonna be able to hear each other, bro. You got to give me a thumbs
No,
up.
okay.
That shit loud as fuck.
When I look at you, that means that I'm ready.
Yeah. Oh, no, give me the thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
So we gonna know.
I'm
You
gonna
got a thumbs up.
be
like,
ready
good.
first.
Yeah.
And then you give me the thumbs up.
Yeah.
And then
Unless we bite
I
each
have
other.
what? 3 seconds, right?
Whenever you go.
No.
Oh, the countdown? What you talking
No,
about?
he's saying burn down like.
No. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean by the 3 seconds. Like, after you tell me you're ready, I have 3 seconds to go.
Oh, hell no.
Nah, you just go whenever, bro.
Yeah, wait, no importa, güey. No importa. When we're racing, doesn't matter.
When it's the road racing,
In road racing, doesn't matter.
okay, no,
You're talking about burning down.
No, yeah, but that's a perfect example. So like, but when you say you're ready, like he can stay. Like for example, if you don't give him a time,
like you're not gonna give me a 3-second hit.
No.
I just have 3 seconds to leave when we're ready.
when you're ready,
You know what I'm saying?
So as soon as you put your thumbs up, he has 3 seconds to leave before you're able to leave.
Hell no.
No.
Come on, man.
So let's say you guys are all both ready, right?
Yeah, we're both ready. I'm not gonna gas it for 3 seconds before you gas.
No.
Wait. Honestly, as soon as you say he's ready, you go because if it be some bullshit and when you win, they're gonna pay, bro, because they don't understand what you're saying. So basically, once he says he's ready, then you go, you know? Because it's getting confusing. You know?
No, I get
Alright,
you.
so basically, I know what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
As soon as you give the thumbs up, you have to, let's say, you can like wait 3 seconds or whatever.
Like
still
after
lined
you
up,
told
still
me,
lined up,
we're still lined up.
Yeah, you
I
still
haven't
lined up.
gone.
And
I
then
just have 3 seconds.
to like get your
because
shit.
if you don't give him a time frame, he can stay there for example, like 30 seconds.
Yeah, you might need a little longer, bro. That 3 seconds, because we gonna have to line that shit up. You want your shit right,
as soon as
bro.
you
I ain't gonna do you
lined
like
up
that.
and then-
You gotta make sure the RPMs and shit right. Ain't no shady.
No, but this is what I'm saying.
Yeah. But I want to make sure because it ain't gonna take 3 seconds. That's not enough time for you.
No.
And this your first race, ain't gonna do no shady shit.
Yeah. Ooh, he stopped.
Just leave it away.
Well, you gotta come back to my car.
You feel me? You gotta get your RPMs and shit right. You want this 3 seconds and you're not ready.
So when we're ready,
Thumbs
when
up,
we're
we
ready,
look at each other.
I'm gonna look at you. I'll give you a thumbs up. You give me a thumbs up, and then when I guess it, you go.
I got so happy. I started smiling.
You do that? Fuck, let's do it.
But
Y'all cool with that?
what I meant was the 3 seconds. Like I'm not gonna go for 3 seconds. Like,
Oh boy, tweak
like
it.
we're next to each other, and I'll have like
3 seconds.
I can go in between like 1 second, 2 seconds. Huh?
Once you
No, I'm not gonna do
Once
no
you
one.
say you're ready,
Because that's ahead of
Go.
breaks, you know.
yeah. So like you said, you're gonna go.
Well,
when he goes.
whenever you tell me you're ready, you know, this is what I mean. Like I have 3 seconds to go.
Just drop the
No counting. Yeah.
So what I
I
think
get what he's saying.
I know, I know.
Once
no,
you're ready,
that's,
that's 3
that's
seconds.
what he's saying.
Like after we both
because
say
you know,
we're ready.
like on some tuners, like you know, you hold it in second gear. If you're in it for like 5 seconds, it'll just jump you out of the wrong gear.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean? So that's what he's saying. So like, because you know, you don't want to go over that time frame, because then he might be ready, but your shit's hanging on too long, so then your shit drops a gear. You know what I mean? So you're trying to
You
keep.
just don't want to do you dirty.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what you mean,
Explain
right?
that one more time. Oh, I can make sure you come
Yeah,
one more
no,
time.
yeah.
All right.
Okay. So when we go, I'm gonna be
Yeah.
on your right,
All right.
and then you're gonna be on the left. I'm gonna look at you. Once I'm ready, I'll give you a thumbs up. Once you give me a thumbs up, I can leave. You know, but you have to wait for me to leave.
Yeah.
Like
Let's
as soon
go.
as we're here. Well, that's the point of the
Yeah,
goal.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you're not supposed
And
to.
it's gonna be in 3 seconds, or just you saying
No,
anytime?
in
Well,
between.
within the-
There you go.
Okay.
Within. My bad.
Okay.
Bro.
Okay. No, you good. You good.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
All
within.
right. Let's do it. But where y'all want to get off at?
I don't know, bro.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14.
Hey, y'all think y'all in already? Or y'all just want to sit?